Hello, little learners. Welcome to Joyful Start. Today, we're going to learn the alphabet from A to E in a super fun way. Each letter will be traced by amazing vehicles: an aeroplane, a bus, a car, a delivery van, and an excavator. Are you ready for a joyful ride from A to E? Let's begin with the letter A. Can you see that flying aeroplane? It's here to draw the letter A with us. Let's learn how to write the letter A. First, we draw a left slanting line. Now, a right slanting line. And finally, a line across the middle. Great job! That's the letter A. Let's say it together. A. A is for aeroplane. Flying high in the sky. Beep, beep. What's that coming down the road? It's a bright yellow bus. Let's hop on and trace the capital letter B together. Let's write the letter B. First, a straight vertical line. Now, a curve at the top. Then, a curve at the bottom. That's the letter B. Let's say it together. B. Great job. That's the letter B. B is for bus, driving on the road. Here comes a cool little car. Ready to trace the curvy capital letter C? Let's trace the letter C with it. Let's start at the top. Make a big curve going down and around. That's the letter C. Let's say it together. C. C is for car. Zooming on the road. Look who's here to help us. It's our happy delivery van. Let's trace the capital letter D with our friendly delivery van. First, a straight vertical line. Now, draw a big curve from top to bottom. That's the letter D. Let's say it together. D. D is for delivery van, bringing packages to your door. Let's see what vehicle comes next. The excavator is here to dig and draw something special. Can you guess what letter it will make? That's right. It's the letter E. Follow along as the smiley excavator traces the letter E. First, a straight vertical line. Now, a small line at the top, a small line in the middle, and one more at the bottom. That's the letter E. Say it with me. E. Great job! E is for excavator, digging the ground. Amazing job tracing letters A to E with our awesome vehicles. Let's quickly remember. A is for aeroplane. B is for bus. C is for car. D is for delivery van. E is for excavator. What letter comes next? Stay tuned for our next joyful ride, F to J. But wait! Before you go, it's guessing time. Can you guess which vehicle will help us trace the letter F in the next video? Here's your hint. It's big, bright red, and races to help in emergencies. Say your answer out loud. That's right. It's a fire truck. Thanks for learning with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Joyful Start for more fun learning adventures. See you soon. Bye-bye.